Join me as we tour Jackson Lake Lodge at Grand Tetons National Park. Come on, everybody. Jackson Lake Lodge is one of the most iconic destinations in Grand Tetons National Park. The lodge itself was built in 1955. We were lucky enough to book one of the adorable cottages. The rooms and cottages can book well over a year in advance. Our cottage had a beautiful little outdoor porch with 2 chairs, nice queen beds. There was a half wall that split the main living area with a small kitchenette area. Then you entered your standard bathroom. It had a very nice single sink and your standard shower and tub combo. This view gives you a slightly different look at how large the room was. After we settled in our room, we returned to the lodge. The entrance itself is intentionally understated. But once you walk up the stairs, you are greeted in the great room by a wall of windows, 60 feet wide and 36 feet tall. The closer you get, the more you start to see the Grand Teton mountain range. The great room itself is surprisingly simple. The architects wanted the scenery to be the star attraction, and it definitely does not disappoint. Just beyond the windows is the outer deck where you can enjoy unobstructed panoramic views of Willow Flats and the Northern Tetons. At night, the lighting of the lodge is deliberately low, so you can enjoy the absolutely amazing view of the stars above. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It lets me know that you are enjoying the content.